Are you sleeping?
사람 많으니까 좋네요.
Hey guys, I'm Nicola.
Hi, I'm Hugh.
This is our son Yul, and where are we?
We are at Gyeongbokgung.
And what are we doing here?
Today we are going to do Seoul Walking Tour.
And this is one of their new tours, and it is free. And we have a lovely tour guide over here. Please come over here.
All right, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, they are.
안녕하세요.
Seoul Guided Walking Tour is a free program for visitors to Seoul and also residents.
This palace actually related to our last time. The mainly Joseon.
It is designed to show you Seoul's best attractions with expert guidance of multilingual tour guides. The tour we are doing is Gyeongbokgung Palace.
So now here's my friend. She's a very famous singer in Korea.
Hi, my name is Park Young. Nice to meet you.
She has really beautiful voice. She's really, really famous in Korea.
Actually, many times you were on the radio.
Yes.
And Hugh was like, oh, that's her.
That's her song. Yeah, 해경이 누나 song. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So then, with our friend, the singer Park Hye-kyung, we started the tour. This course is a barrier-free tour course for everyone, including wheelchair use, stroller use, and for people with less mobility.
Oh, yeah.
Even though we have visited the palace many times before, we actually learnt a lot because of our tour guide. He explained so much and gave us a lot of the historical context. Also, because we have a stroller, he showed us the route to get around with it.
어때?
A lot of people visit tourist attractions in Seoul and only get a superficial understanding of them. Having an expert with you will give you a deeper understanding of Korea in its cultural and historical context. There are many free guided walking tours available and you can check them out on their website. This is the tour that we are doing at the moment and it is a new course. Even when our son was being particularly difficult, our tour guide was very patient and understanding. We appreciated him a lot. Where are you going? Are you hiding? Where is you? Where is he? There you are. Are you hiding? Oh, Mummy can see you around here. Mummy can see you here. Mummy can see you. Ah, there you are. Even after finishing the tour, there are still many things to enjoy in the palace. We stopped for some tea and traditional sweets. We want to thank Seoul Guided Walking Tours for this opportunity. If you live in Korea or you are visiting, we recommend checking out these free tours. This one in particular if you are with family or have limited mobility. A big thank you to Park Hae-kyung for joining us, and you can check out her YouTube channel. Also check out our YouTube channel for more videos about living in Korea and being an intercultural family.